The only thing brokers can do is essentially adapt or die.
So we believe that brokers are a core part of that commercial insurance ecosystem. Anybody buying a commercial insurance policy and spending more than a couple $1,000s on something that they find incredibly valuable isn't going to buy from a computer. Agents are a critical part of the process of educating their clients and their prospects about what type of insurance to get, how much coverage to get. So we think agents are here to stay for quite a long time.
We believe as technology changes, the role of the agent will be enhanced in different ways and may adjust their processes.
One of the things I've seen in the industry is that there seem to be a lot of siloed software platforms. Carriers are slowly starting to build out APIs and portals to connect with their brokers, but the tools to streamline the communication between a broker and a carrier are still really nascent.
I think building out APIs for their products is a huge thing that carriers can be doing. Cut down the different walls that exist for the different products and probably be as open to working with brokers as well, to being able to understand how can they improve the different products that they have and be able to use brokers to leverage them.
What's missing most right now in the conversation about ways we can improve data exchange and processes is the conversation with the carrier around the value that's created for the customer ultimately of that exchange. Is that a savings in premium? Is that an enhancement in coverage? At the end of the day, we need to retain that client.
Candidly, I think both need revamping, right? Especially in the broker space, you've got these large agency management systems, which are primarily back office tools, and they are antiquated, difficult to use, and cumbersome for agents.
It really depends on what segment of the market you're talking about. Personal, small commercial, big commercial. Each of those segments has a need in each of the things that you described. On the large commercial side, I think the more immediate gains are to be had in the back office.
Things are complicated, not one risk is the same as the other. And so the agent is always going to need to be there to kind of do some hand holding and be that trusted advisor for the insured.
I would say the front office needs the biggest revamp because the tools are way outdated. It's the back office, at least there are tools, right? There's actual real software platforms from real companies that have been very effective in the past, but because they've been around for so long, they've really struggled to innovate and struggled to move quickly.